Welcome to the American Jury, Deliberations for Social Change. I'm Rebecca Nissen. I'm one of the instructors of the course, and today's the day. We're getting started. I'm very excited about it, and I just wanted to give you guys a few tips about taking this course because I believe this course is going to be unlike any other course that you have ever taken. So I just wanted to point out a few of the ways in which this course is different. So number one, this course is not about knowledge or content transfer. We are not going to be testing you on information or even on whether legal arguments that you make would hold up in court. What this course is about is deep and meaningful participation and engagement with the issues in the course because we're engaged in a group project of exploration of the power of deliberation as a mechanism of making decisions about what the right way is to operate in society. So what we're asking of you is that you open yourself up to that. In one sense, it's easy. Participation counts for a lot. If you show up and give this course your best, you're going to do well in this course. On the other hand, it's actually quite challenging because we are asking you to really deeply open up. We're going to be talking about extremely challenging issues facing society, and we want you to think deeply about them, to discuss them deeply, and to deliberate even when it's difficult with your peers. So it should be very interesting. The number two way that this course is different from other courses is that this is a fully online course. This means that each week on Tuesdays, for at least the first 2/3 or so of the course, a new module of material will release. And on your own time and at your convenience, you can go ahead and start to progress through that module page by page, doing the learning activities that are there. There will be no major scheduled class meetings that you have to attend, and so there's a certain amount of personal responsibility associated with showing up and doing the things that are there in those modules. That said, there is a real-time participation aspect to the course, and that is that we are going to ask you to be a juror for each one of these modules. You will be meeting together with a group of your peers to constitute a jury and to deliberate an issue in the course. And so in Module 0, we're asking you to tell us the times at which you can make those meetings with a group of your peers. And the first one of those meetings will happen not this week, but the following week in the course once we've had a chance to separate people into groups at times that they can attend. These will be online meetings. It'll be best if you have a webcam, but it can also work with audio. And so you may have to stretch your schedule to meet them, but you won't have to travel any place to participate. And we'll go over later how you actually get into the meetings and all of that. The instructors for the course are myself and my father. My father is Professor Charles Nissen. He's been a professor at Harvard Law School since the 1960s and also a lawyer for all of that time, working on civil rights cases in the school desegregation era, and mainly being a professor of evidence and other big legal subjects throughout his time at Harvard Law School. Definitely a lot of it touching on jury and the role of the jury in our society. So his role in the course is really as the person who's conceived of the course, and then he and I and a team of Harvard Law students and a team of course developers from Harvard X worked really hard to put together all of the course materials for this. And many of the experiences that you have in this course are topics that he also covers in his law school course, and using some of the same methods, which he's found to be really good for getting people to get down to what is the core of the issues that are being deliberated. He and I will be meeting to take a look at what happens in your deliberations, and there will be feedback, hopefully by video, from him about the deliberations, and there will be opportunities for you to get together with him face-to-face online during the course that I hope that you'll take advantage of. On a day-to-day basis, I'm going to be your main point of contact as a teacher for the course. I'm also a graduate of Harvard Law School, and right now I work as the Director of Online Course Development for Harvard Extension School. And I'll be the one who's helping guide you through this experience. So don't hesitate to get in touch with me for anything that you need. And one thing that you'll notice about this announcement is that I've done it both by video and I usually write it all out in text too. So I'll leave you to the text to get the actual contact information for ways to contact me during the course. And so that's basically it. It's time to get started. This is the first day. Module 0 is released, and you can go to it. You can get to it from the home page, the syllabus page, or the modules page in the left navigation. Just click on Module 0 and get started there. And I'm really looking forward to it. Okay.